Earth Day Assembly. I hope everyone enjoys the show.
Make every day Earth Day. Say no to plastic bags. Say no to pesticides. Let's walk and not drive. Let's treat our world with pride. And then our planet will stay healthy and alive and alive and alive.
Let's save the planet, make every day Earth Day. Say yes to living green, clean up our lakes and streams. Pollution go bye-bye, let's treat our world with pride. And then our planet will stay healthy and alive and alive and alive. Let's save the planet, make every day Earth Day. Blue box for cans and glass, recycling is the task. And we must all try to treat our world with pride. And then our planet will stay healthy and alive 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 and alive.
All right, good job, Drewry. Way to follow along. Now
A Little Seed by Mabel Watts. A little seed will eat the show. A little earth to make it grow. A little sun. A little shower. A little while. And then a flower.
flowers, guys. Where's those beautiful flowers?
Let's save the planet, make every day Earth Day.
Let's see you clap those
Say
hands,
yes to
Drewry.
living green, clean up our lakes and streams. Pollution go bye-bye, let's treat our world with pride. And then our planet will stay healthy and alive and alive and alive. Let's save the planet, make every day Earth Day. Blue box for cans and glass, recycling is the task. And we must all try to treat our world with pride. And then our planet will stay healthy and alive and alive and alive and
All right, well done. Congratulations. Great performance.
Me here and now.
Our land acknowledgement.
We respectfully acknowledge that this school and the land it sits on is the traditional territory of many indigenous peoples. This land has been home and to them for thousands of years. We recognize their enduring connection to the land, water, and all living things.
I also want to recognize that within indigenous communities that there have always been people with disabilities who were and continue to be valued and respected members.
They are part of our history and ongoing traditions of many indigenous cultures, just as we celebrate the diversity of our planet. We celebrate the diversity of our school and our community. Every one of us is important, and every one of us has a role to play in taking care of our earth.
Did you know that indigenous people have a very special connection to our earth and nature? Part of the 7 scared teaches that indigenous people follow is respect, just like one of our character traits at Drewry.
Do you know how much water you drink every day? It's a lot.
We should use reusable water bottles every day at school.
We can turn off the tap. Respect our earth and nature even means being kind to thriving little creatures too.
Do you know that worm poop is healthy?
Did you say worm poop?
Yes, it's true.
Do you know that worms like to eat some of our leftover food? How can we connect to our earth?
It's on the rock and it's in a nice weather.
To lay on the grass and watch the clouds.
We could go to Eco Club.
We can partner with community organizations.
You can clean up after lunch.
Just give me a thumbs up when you want me to start. Okay, here we go.
What up, world? It's your boy. It's one of the guys down here. Well, I can be more specific. I'm not human. And just wanted to, for the sake of all us earthlings out there, just wanted to say, we love the earth, it is our planet. We love the earth, it is our home. We love the earth, it is our planet. We love the earth, it is our home.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade, eventually, so